If Pixlr is not loading on your device, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through the fastest ways to fix it step by step. This issue is usually caused by cached files, WebGL problems, or corrupted site data, and the good news is that you can often solve it in just a few minutes without reinstalling anything. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this. Now let's get into it. First, open Pixlr in your browser. Once the page starts loading, right-click anywhere on the page and choose Inspect. This opens the browser developer tools. Now, while staying on the Pixlr tab, long press or click and hold the browser refresh button near the URL bar. A small menu will appear, and from that menu select Empty Cache and Hard Reload. This is one of the best first fixes because it forces the browser to completely reload Pixlr without using broken cached files that may be preventing it from opening correctly. After that, go to a new tab and type get.webgdal.org. Pixlr relies heavily on WebGL for GPU rendering, so this step is very important. If the page says WebGL is supported, that is a good sign, but if it says software only or disabled, that usually means your browser is not using hardware acceleration properly or your graphics drivers may need attention. In that case, try restarting your browser first. If the problem continues, update your GPU drivers and make sure hardware acceleration is enabled in your browser settings. This can make a huge difference, especially for design apps like Pixlr that depend on graphics performance. Next, we're going to clear local storage and site data for Pixlr. Sometimes corrupted autosaves or broken workspace data can cause the loading screen to freeze or crash before the editor even opens. To do this, click the menu icon next to the Pixlr URL in your browser. Then open Cookies and Site Data. From there, select Clear Data. Keep in mind that this will reset your workspace preferences and may remove saved local settings, but it will not delete your account or online projects. This is often the fix that gets Pixlr loading properly again when the browser cache alone is not enough. If Pixlr still will not load after those steps, try closing the browser completely and reopening it. You can also test Pixlr in an incognito window or a different browser to see whether the issue is related to extensions or browser settings. Sometimes ad blockers, privacy tools, or outdated browsers can interfere with the app loading process. Make sure your browser is updated, your internet connection is stable, and your system graphics drivers are current. So to quickly recap, the main fixes are hard reload Pixlr, check WebGL support, and clear the site's cookies and local data. In most cases, one of these steps will solve the loading problem and get you back into your workspace fast. If this video helped you fix Pixlr not loading, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more troubleshooting guides, app fixes, and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.